Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I also welcoming you to this new series of data structure and algorithm. This is the first video of this series. Also, this is the first video of this channel. So I'm looking forward to your cooperation and full support. Before starting this series, I'm gonna tell you intention of this series. Number one, data structure. Data structure is a very core concept in a computer world. Not only in a computer world, whichever device has a CPU or a memory. Nowadays, memories are becoming cheap and cheap. 8 GB of RAM, 16 GB, 32 GB of RAM, and 1 TB, 2 TB of hard drive. So, because of memory becoming more and more, uh, people are giving a least importance to data structure and algorithm. But still some devices are running on a kbs of memory. So data structure is a very core concept in the that devices. Number two, college or university syllabus. Most of the computer science related branches or a course contains this data structure and algorithm subject, but some of other courses don't have this subject. If you are wanting to learn out of the syllabus, then you are at the right place. You can study it from here. Number three, if you are preparing for an interview, you must study data structure and algorithm. From startup to multinational companies, most of the companies will ask about the data structure and algorithm. So, if you want to study, you can take help of this tutorial. Number four, if you are preparing for a competitive exam like GATE or UGC NET or any other exams which contains the data structure and algorithm as a syllabus, this tutorial helps you. I'm gonna cover in that point of view as well. Not only for this reason, if you want to study data structure and algorithm, you're welcome here. I try to make these videos interesting and I try to compare it with the real-time scenario so you can understand these videos more easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. These are the topics of data structure and algorithm. There are so many other topics also. I'll cover it in an upcoming session. So we're going to start with the introduction. In that we're going to study about what is data structure, what is algorithm, what is the importance of that data structure and algorithm, and time complexity, space complexity, big O notation. We'll study in that first section. So second is arrays and stack. So some of the concepts need basics of a C language. So I'm gonna cover that, like dynamic memory allocation, structures. So we'll cover that also. In third section, we're gonna cover about queues and circular queue. What is the advantage of a circular queue over a queues? So different operation performed over a queue or a circular queue. Next one is a linked list. Linked list is a very important concept in data structure. We're gonna study single linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list, and different operation we can perform on that linked list, and searching techniques. Fifth one is a searching technique. In that searching technique, we can study about the binary search, linear search, and hash, and some more topics in that section. And next one is a sorting technique. In sorting technique, we're gonna study about the six sorting techniques: bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, and heap sort. So we're gonna study all the sorting techniques. And next one is a graph. In that graph, we're gonna study about BFT and DFT, breadth first traversal and depth first traversal, and some more topics. And next one is a tree. In that tree, we're gonna study about BST, binary search tree, and spanning tree, and so more topics. So this is not only topics. There are some more topics which I'm gonna add in upcoming sessions. So, but these are the very important topics for interviews or a college, university exams, or any competitive exam. That's it for this session. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel this video is good, it's worth watching, then hit the like button, comment it, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in next session. Thank you so much.